Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process how to reboot Optimum cable box. Okay, so guys, we are going to discuss by each step. So, step to reboot the Optimum cable box. First of all, locate the power button on the front panel of your Optimum cable box. Press the power button to shut down the box. Light should turn off to indicate it's off. Okay, and after powering off, unplug the power card from the back of the cable box. Ensure the power cord is disconnected from the box itself, not just the outlet. Okay? And then wait for at least 10 seconds after unplugging to allow residual power to drain the reset and the device. Reconnect the power cord securely to the back of the cable box after the waiting period. Press the power button to turn the box back on, initiating the startup process. Be patient during the reboot, as the box may display message or take a few minutes to complete. Okay, so this is the all step. Thanks guys, having a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.